third option is a power calculation. And the fourth option is your passive elements. So now I give you chance to you. Please write in the chat box what you will write. Okay, four options are there. But the question is superposition theorem is not applicable to which of the following four options. Okay, so you have to choose one of them. Okay, I want response first of all in the chat box. Then I will discuss it. What is the answer? Yes, everybody is getting my voice. Yeah, one answer I have got it from Hardik Singh. I want from other also. What is the answer? That superposition theorem is not applicable either for voltage calculation or for bilateral elements or for the power calculation or for the passive elements. So this should be on tips. Okay. So not much response is there from your side. Only one people. Yeah, Keshav Sharma has given. Very good. Keshav Sharma has given. So I want response. Garvesh Chittoda has also given. Very fine. Divyarth has Divyarth. Your answer is wrong. Your answer is wrong. Rest all have given the good answer. Okay. So without wasting time, the correct answer is the correct answer is the power. Correct answer is the power. As I've already told you that it is only applicable to voltage, it is applicable to bilateral elements, applicable to passive elements which are resistor, inductor, capacitor, but it is not applicable to power. So the third answer is the correct answer. Okay. So let us take another. Okay, another question. So a very simple question has been in a given RC circuit. So you have been given an RC circuit. From the name, it is clear that it will be an okay. This is a voltage source. Okay, and RC circuit is there. This is a resistor and this is a capacitor. So from it is clear this R is of 10 ohm. Okay, and this C is of 20 microfarad. It is microfarad. Okay, and you've been asked in the given RC circuit. Okay, IT is given. Okay, so you have been given an IT whose value is equal to 2 cos 5000 T. Sorry, 5000 T. Okay, so you have been given IT is equal to we have been given IT is equal to 2 cos 500,000 T. Now, the four options are given where the question is the applied voltage VT is. The question is the applied voltage, okay, VT is how much? Okay, that is, and you will hear one. The first answer is 28.28 cos of 5000 T minus 45-degree volt. Okay. The second option is again it is 28.28 cos of 5000 T plus 45-degree. Okay. Okay. And the third option which I am writing here okay, is 28.28 sine of 5000 t minus 45 degree volt. Okay, bracket close. And the fourth option I am writing here, it is nothing but 28.28 sine of 5000 t plus 45 degree. So basically in this question, two astronomicals are there. One is the circuit theory concept, another is the trigonometric concept. So mathematical concept is also being tested here. So you have been given the current value, which is nothing but 2 cos 5000 t, and R and C value was given, and you ask VCT. In general, you are in habit of given VT. You are habit on solving such numericals which VT is being given, and you are asked to find out the current IT. But a reverse problem is there. You have been given IT and you've been asked VT. So very simple. First of all, it should be kept in the mind that since it is an RC circuit, therefore definitely, yes, Garvesh has given the answer. Let us check. Okay. So first of all, in MCQ types question, first of all, try to eliminate the options which are not, which cannot be the answer. Okay. For example, now we know that it is an RC circuit is there. Okay. Definitely the power factor will be leading. The power factor will be leading. Okay, so power factor leading means the voltage will lead the current. So the power factor leading means the current will lead the voltage. Okay, so current will lead the voltage. This is very clear. Now you can see that current is given 2 cos 5000 t. So it has been chosen, is angle is phase angle is 0 degree. Okay, so definitely the current will lag. The current will lag. Sorry, the voltage will lag. The current angle is 0 degree. Therefore, the current will definitely will lag. It will be something minus. If cos term is there, it will be definitely minus. So there is a chances of option among this minus 45 degree and this first and third. This sine 5000 minus 45 degree. Okay, so minus will be there, definitely will be there. Now since it is a cosine waveform, therefore we will try to keep in the cosine only, and this angle is nothing but, okay, how much is this? This is the minus phi, where phi is the phase difference between them, and phi is given how much? Okay, so you can calculate first of all cos phi, and then you can calculate the phi. Okay, anything you can calculate it. So what is cos phi? Cos phi is nothing but R by Z, that you can calculate it. Okay, so when you calculate this R by Z, so how much it is R by Z? R is how much? 10 ohm. R is how much? R is how much? 10. I am calculating cos phi. Okay, R is 10, and what is Z? Z is nothing but under root R square plus X square. Okay, so it will be under root 100 plus. Okay, now 20 microfarad. What is XC? What is XC? XC will be nothing but, yes, anybody can tell me what is XC? XC will be nothing but 1 upon omega C. Very correct. 1 upon omega C. So 1 upon omega C. So you can write down what is 1 upon omega is how much? 5000. 5000 multiplied by 20. 5000 multiplied by 20. Okay, it will be approximately 1 lakh. 1 lakh means 1 lakh, and there is 0. So 10 lakh. 10 lakh means how many 0? There will be 10 raised to the power 6. There will be 10 raised to the power 6. So micro means 10 to the minus 6. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 6 and 10 to the power, this will cancel. So we are left with how much? Only we are left with how much? How much? We are left with harnessing how 5. Yes, sir. Please solve me. What is the value of Z? Yeah, definitely we will get. No, 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 not this, not this. Simple. I just solve it. take this, look toward this. You have to find out cos phi. Okay, cos phi is nothing but r by z. Okay, r is nothing but 10, and now you calculate z. Z is nothing but under root r square, that is 10 square, plus x c square. Okay, now what is xc? Xc is nothing but 1 upon omega c, magnitude wise. Okay, 1 upon omega c. What is omega? Omega is nothing your 5000. Okay, and c is nothing but 20 into 10 raised to the power minus 6. Okay, now 1 2 3 4, 4 will come from here, 5 to the 5 will come from here. Okay, so 10 raised to the power 5 multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 6, you will get 10 raised to the power minus 1, and when it will go up 1, it will become 10. I think so. Is it clear? So your when you will put so xc comes out to be 10. So 10 square plus 10 square, it will be nothing but 100 plus 100 under root 200, and that will come out to be, so I will write down 10 upon root 2. Okay, so 10 will cancel, so cos phi comes about 1 upon root t. Can you comment on the angle? Can you comment on the angle? If cos phi is equal to 1 upon root 2, what is phi? Phi is nothing but your 45 degree. 5 is come out to be 45 degree. Is it clear? Okay, so your answer will be nothing but Vt will be nothing but magnitude. Now you have to calculate magnitude also. So we have already calculated Z. Okay, we have already calculated Z. Okay, so magnitude wise, the current is how much? 2. The magnitude of current is, the maximum value is 2. So I into Z. Z is nothing but 10 into root 2. So it is 20 into root 2, and root 2 is nothing but 1.414. So it will be 28.28. So it will be 28.28. So your answer will be 28.28 cos of 5000 t minus 45 degree. Okay. Though I have explained it, I have taken more than 2 or 3 minutes. But once you will practice it, it is a question of simply 1 minute. Okay. So not 28, it is 28.2. 28.28. 28.28. Okay. So option 1 is the correct answer. So any problem so far to anybody? Okay. Then please write in the chat box. I am ready to take. So let us take, no problem. Okay. Do write fast in the chat box if you have no problem. Now, very important question. Okay, fine. Now, this question is the next question which I am taking is a very important question. Okay. The question is, you have been given a network like this. Now, this is a current source. This is a network. I don't know what is there, but this is a network. Okay. Consisting of elements and many things, sources and like this. Okay. And I am, oh, sorry. I am taking voltage across it, measuring certain voltage with plus and minus sign, and this voltage comes out to be V. Okay, and there is also another current source here. Whose arrow direction is this much, and this current value is I2. It's the action. So this is a given network is there, and some data is given to you. Okay, the data is, this is a linear network. The network shown is linear and has only registers. So this is a linear register which contains only register. Okay, so that have to be clear. So one is the linear plus resistor. So two things are associated with this, linear plus resistor. Okay, and another thing, I1 is given how much? 8 ampere. I2 12 ampere, and V is found to be 80 volt. V is found to be 80 volt. Okay, that is this voltage. This voltage, open circuit voltage, which we are measuring across these two terminals, is found to be 80 volt. Then another experiment has been done. When V is equal to 0, when I1 is equal to minus 8 ampere and I2 is equal to 4 ampere. Okay, so now you have been asked what will be the value of V. This is question has been asked. So this is the data has been provided to you. You have been asked what is the value of V when I1 equal to I2 10 ampere. So mind it. So let us start how to solve it. Now two things are given in the initial, that is a linear and only contain resistor. So we can apply superposition theorem. Okay, so nothing has been mentioned in the question which theorem is to be applied, but now you have to look into the question that yes, being a linear and resistor and there are two sources are there, therefore we can apply the superposition theorem. Okay, fine. Okay, so this concept is clear that we can apply superposition theorem. Now these are the two sources and this is our load voltage V. Okay, this is our load voltage V. So definitely there will be some contribution in producing this voltage V. There will be some contribution by I1 and there will be some contribution by I2. So let the contribution by I1 is X and this I1 is producing X something ratio X. Okay, I will just remove it. Okay, just how to handle it. So what you have to do, this V is produced by 2 volt by is a contribution of two sources. One is due to I1 and another is due to I2. So this will be V1 plus V2. Okay, so in the very first case, okay, and this V1 is in fact a contribution by this this I1, this V voltage 80 volt. 80 you are getting due to, let this portion I1 contribution is X and let this portion be this is 8 V1. I will say write down 8 V1 and this is due to V2 is equal to how much? 12 ampere V2. Okay, just I am saying that this current is mingling with the voltage. In what ratio I don't know. Okay, multiplying with V1 and therefore giving the total voltage. So you can also write 8x. 8x is what? The contribution by the 8 ampere source and 12y. 12y is nothing but the contribution due to V2 source. Then similarly you will get another equation. 0 is equal to minus 8 V1 plus 4 V2. Okay. So once you have got this, okay, you can now solve for V1 and V2. You can solve for V1 and V2. Once you got the V1 and V2, okay, so what you have to do, that you have to find out now this V voltage, which V voltage we know that will be the contribution of the two source. So 10 multiplied by whatever the value of V1 comes out to be, And so let us solve this. So give me the answer. What when you solve these two equations, 80 is equal to 8v1 plus 12 v2 and 0 is equal to minus 8v1 plus 4 v2. What you will get? How much you will get v1 and v2? Please tell me fast. So 8 on this side. So you will get v2 is equal to twice v1. v2 is equal to twice v1. So when you write down twice v1, 24 v1, 24 plus 8, 32. So it is 80 by 32 is the v1, which is nothing but okay. So v1 comes out to be 2.5 as written by Hardik and 5 volt. Okay. So I am directly writing here in this case. So he says that according to Hardik, it is comes out to be 2.5 v1, okay, plus, and v2 comes out to be 5 volts. So it will be 12 into 5. Okay. So you find out this answer. So 2.5 multiplied by 10 is nothing but 25, and 12 multiplied by 5 is 60. 60 plus 25 comes out to be how much? 85. So the probable answer is the 85. Let us check. So I think so. Uh, you have done this. 2.5 is the wrong answer. 2.5 is not the correct answer. Hardik Singh, please correct yourself. It is not 2.5. It should be 5 upon, yeah, 5 upon 2, 2.5. Oh, sorry, it is 10. It is 10. It is not 12. Let me correct myself. It is 10. So yes, Hardik Singh, you are correct. So it is 75 volt. Okay. So the four options were given: 25 volt, 50 volt, 75 volt, and 100 volt. So 75 volt is the correct answer. 75 volt is the correct answer. So just today I have given you the three questions. Okay, 3 or 4 questions we have handled it today. Okay, there are a lot of question is there. Tomorrow we will start some early and we will do some 10 to 15 more questions related to MCQ type questions. If there any doubt, okay, you can write in the chat box. Yeah, Garvesh, yes, both are 10 ampere. Sorry, I have read 12, so I have corrected myself. So it is 10 into, so it comes out to be 75 volts. So you got my point that how a practical application of superposition theorem is given in this question, that how to you use the superposition theorem. Okay, so any more doubt, please write in the chat box. No doubt. So probably I am ending the session today here. Okay. Tomorrow we will take some more question. We will start very early and we will take some more question. Okay. So that your any queries related to the MCQ type question get clear. Okay. So fine. Thank you. Okay. That's all for today.